Hello everyone. So here is this again one more program based on multi-threading. So creating a thread but using the predefined class, that is thread class only predefined, and we are creating thread. Okay. But this is also using our user defined class also. So we have a class and name of that class is demo. Inside that we have one method define display, and inside that we have for loop that I in range 5, and we have one print message. So this is nothing but the object is created for this class, that is obj equal to demo. Then we have created thread object, that is using t equal to capital thread. Okay, and target will be equal to, now we are not writing target equal to only display, because this display method is part of this class. So we can call this display function using the object name only and dot operator, and that's why we are writing obj dot display. And then we will start our thread t dot start function, and it will jump to display. And then again we have one more for loop which is outside of this class and everything, which will get executed by the main thread. So let's check the output of this. Control S F5. See, child thread, main thread, child thread, main thread, and likewise it is 5 times. And suppose if we execute one more times, maybe we may get same output also. Not necessary that every time you will get the different output. Thank you everyone.